Welcome to my channel. This is Iconic TV, and today we are reviewing this big lighter. We are reviewing this big lighter. Oh yeah, I've been using this lighter for the last couple of months. The reason why I'm doing this review, because I've used it for some time right now. I have never seen a lighter that lasts so long. Oh, where is it? Here is the lighter. It's a pretty strong one. Look. One flick, October, November, December, January. 4 months. It's still going strong, alive. It's a refillable one. Look, you can refill it from down here. And then the sticker is also way too durable. For just a regular lighter, this paper would have disintegrated. Yeah, but then here we are, still going strong. Look at this flint. What do we call this? Is it a flintstone or what do we call it? Yeah. And then there is there's that other thing on the regular lighters that is usually here. I don't know what it is used to adjust, but then this one is the best lighter ever. One flick, hold here. Yeah, this is the best lighter ever. Go get yourself one. You can talk to me, I can hook you up. These are some lighter, very durable, very strong material. It has fallen so many times and it has never broken. Yeah, look, and it's not transparent for you to see the lighter fluid. I don't know what name we call it, but here you have it. Go light whatever you want to light and have a good day. Stay strong, keep hydrated. I'll see you in the next one. There you have it. Bye bye.